Did you know in Coinbase, you can earn free rewards by taking basic quizzes that takes 3 minutes long? You can take those rewards and you can use them towards your portfolio. So click on the link below to get more information. Sign up for your free Coinbase account and start taking free quizzes to get free rewards. So let's go ahead and dive into this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Yes, this morning I've been taking free rewards. So I got the graph. I earned $4 by taking some basic quizzes, and this is a new one that came out called 𝐵𝒍𝒊𝒄𝒌. So you just click on there, and when you click on the link below, just sign up for your Coinbase account if you don't have one already, and start taking quizzes to earn rewards. So prime example for this, I'm gonna go ahead and answer this question. I'm gonna take the quiz and say, okay, what can people create with 𝐵𝒍𝒊𝒄𝒌? Just make an example. So if I say, even if I get it wrong, so I got that wrong, I got that, and I got the second one right. So I move on to the next lesson, right? So here's the next one here. And this is how you can build your portfolio up if you're on a limited budget, just by taking quizzes. It's not a lot, but it's better than nothing. So here's the next quiz here. Here's the next quiz. I can just, here's another one. What's one row of the FET token? So let's say, let's see if that was right. So that one's right. I got that right. And you see $2 FET earned. All right, here's the last one here. And I'm just taking basic quizzes that takes nothing at all. And you may already know about this, but I'm just saying, hey, why not? And we're doing it together. What does 𝐵𝒍𝒊𝒄𝒌 plan to support in the future? And then I can say, okay, let's say they plan to do that. Yes. So I answer all of them right. And then now all I got to do is go back to my rewards. See, you earned $3 in FET. I go back to my rewards, and then I can take this one now. But check this out. Remember, I just took that FET 𝐵𝒍𝒊𝒄𝒌, and let's say if it's in there already. I don't know if it's there already. You know what? Look at this. It's there. Look at this. $3 is already there. So then now I have that in my wallet. And so now I've got $3 already. So then what I could do, I can swap it out. So this is a really good strategy you can do just to earn some rewards, get something going to your portfolio. And sometime Shiba is going to come on Coinbase. So why not have a few dollars to use on Shiba or any other asset there is? And you see it right here, the earn. I took this August 22nd live right with you, and it's a good way of earning rewards. So if I want to go back to learn and earn, I come here and I can take more lessons, the Clover, the graph again, and as well. So here's the one I just took, was the fetch here. So I took the AMP, I took the Stellar Lumas, I took a lot of these rewards. And this one was worth $10. This one's worth $3. This one's worth $3. One was worth $9. So if you think about it, if I took all these rewards in one day, I may end up getting close to about, I don't know, $30, $40, $50. So just don't overlook this video. Take your free rewards. Why not do that? In Coinbase, I've been taking them all morning and earning rewards because I earned $9, I earned $10, I earned $3. That's almost $20 just by taking basic quizzes just to get things started. I'm so glad they allow you to do that. And you just saw fetch here. So you saw fetch here. I just earned these rewards today. And then now I can take this. Listen, I can take this. I can swap this out. I can trade this out to something else. I can do whatever I want to do now. So I can send it. So look at this. I can send this. I can swap it. And it's really, really cool. I can definitely do. So my name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Yes, I can send this to somebody. I can swap it out. I can cash this out. There's so many different things you can do. So for me, I'm just going to keep it in there for now. I'm going to continue taking more rewards. And then I'm going to decide what I'm going to do with all these rewards. I may just keep it in the fetch for right now, or I may combine all those together and trade it for something else. Look, it's trade. I can trade it. So I can trade this stuff. I could, hey, I'm going to trade my this to this, I can do that, convert. So let me go ahead and let's go ahead and do this. Let's go ahead. So I was gonna go, but I want to show you something. You see that fetch? You see that? So I can convert all that to Ethereum, because we know about these gas fees, right? So I can go ahead and convert that to Ethereum. So let's go ahead and convert that over to Ethereum. So I'm going to convert that fetch with the free rewards over to Ethereum. So now, if I check my Ethereum, remember I had no Ethereum in my Coinbase account. It's not Coinbase Wallet, it's a regular Coinbase.com. And if I click on Ethereum right now, in my wallet, I should have some Ethereum. Look, convert it. See that? See that? So that's how much Ethereum I got, $3.28. So I can use this as a tactic to get more Ethereum. I can build some Ethereum up, or I can wait till Shiba gets on Coinbase and slide that over to Shiba. You can do that as well, because eventually Shiba's going to come here, eventually. So anyway, I didn't want to get all technical with you. But anyway, yeah, you can use this as a technique. And I just earned $3.28 in Ethereum just by taking quizzes for 3 minutes. So I'm really going to go this time. Don't forget to click on the link below. I just started a Discord group. Click on the link, join the Discord group, welcome yourself in there as well, and I'll see you on the next video.